Good day to you, dear students. Welcome to our online classes. Today, let us discuss Chapter 9 of Class 10, General Science, Heredity and Evolution. First topic is genetics. What is genetics? Genetics is a branch of biology concerned with the study of genes, genetic variation, and heredity in organisms. Next, genetics is divided into two types. One is heredity and another one is variation. Heredity, the transmission of characters from one generation to the next generation. The meaning of variation is the difference in the characters between the parents and offspring. Next, we'll learn about the second topic, that is accumulation of variation during reproduction. Variation appearing during reproduction, whether organism multiplies by asexually or sexually. So when organisms multiplies by asexually, the variations are fewer. It occurs due to small inequivalences in DNA copying. When the organisms multiply by sexually, variations are large. It occurs due to crossing over, separation of chromosomes. Next topic is heredity. The progeny produced through the reproductive process is similar to its parents in body design, function, etc. The rules of heredity determine the process by the traits or the characteristics are relatively inherited. Next topic is rules for inheritance of traits. Mendel's contributions. Next topic, rules for inheritance of traits. Mendel's contribution. Gregor Johann Mendel worked out the first ever scientific experimental study on heredity. Mendel, an Austrian monk, observed variation in the characteristics of pea plant which had cultivated in his monastery garden. The contrasting characters that Mendel observed in the garden pea plant were seed shape, seed color, flower color, stem height, etc. Next topic is hybridization. Hybridization means when breeding experiment is performed between two individuals of the new species with contrasting characters but pure. Next topic is hybridization experiment. When breeding experiment is performed between two individuals of the same species with contrasting characters but pure. Hybridization experiments are divided into two types. One is monohybrid, other one is dihybrid. We'll discuss the first topic, that is monohybrid. Each of the pea plants with tall and dwarf characters of P1 generation have different factors. These are known as Mendelian factors. The pair of factors for plants with pure tall characters will be capital T, and plants with pure dwarf character will be small t. Now we see the crossing between the tall plant and dwarf plant. P1 means parental generation. For tall plant, capital T, for dwarf plant, small t. Here, gametes, capital T and small t. When they cross each other, in F1 generation, that is first filial generation, capital T, small t, it produces tall plant. Again, when they self-cross each other between F1 and F1, both F1 and F1, we can find after the crossing in F2 generation, capital T, small t, capital T, small t. Here, three are tall plant, what we call, one as dwarf plant. So in the ratio is to find as C:1. Next topic is dihybrid experiment. Mendel considered two pairs of contrasting characters together for each hybridization experiment. In this experiment, pea plant is taken with a pair of contrasting characters for shape of the seeds, round and wrinkle, and another pea plant with a pair of contrasting characters for color of the seed, yellow and green. The two pair of contrasting characters what we have taken, round green seed, wrinkled yellow seed. P1 generation, that is capital R, small y, small r, capital Y. We have taken out the gametes. When they cross each other, we find capital R, capital Y, small y, round yellow. After first generation, we find round yellow as a contrasting character. Again, F1 is selfing, or we can say as cross with each other, F1 crossed with F1. Then we can find a chart. When we cross them, we can find the number of characters in a ratio, that is 9:3:3:1. In this ratio, round yellow as 9, round green as 3, wrinkle yellow as 3, wrinkle green as 1.